No risk ad, no crazy claims. But is this a lazy advertising strategy? Are you scared of comparative advertising? Here is some creative inspiration for you. An advertising claim can be legally very strong, but it could be a very weak advertising strategy. Let us talk about how 2x more power claim could have been made more powerful. Stay tuned. When you see a 2x more power claim on an appliance like a mixer grinder, it sounds very authoritative, impressive, and scientific. What if I told you this claim may not be wrong, but it is not a smart claim either? Today, let us discuss about real-world advertising strategy wherein a popular brand chose a powerful yet safest comparative claim, and in doing so, did they miss out on an opportunity to add more weightage to their advertising claim? So let's get started. In this print ad of a popular brand of mixer grinder, the advertiser is promoting their 1000-watt mixer grinder by claiming 2x more power. But hold on, this 2x more power claim is not against competition. 2x is versus their own 500-watt model. From advertising regulations perspective, this is a very comfortable position because this comparative claim is against your own brand 500-watt model versus a 1000-watt model. This comparison is very objective. There is no risk of the claim being challenged by competition, and chances of getting a complaint from ASCI or a CCPA notice are very low. No risk ad, no crazy claims, but is it a lazy advertising strategy? Let's find out. While buying a mixer grinder, consumers definitely care about wattage. So they choose whether they want a 500, 600, 750 or 1000-watt model. But they are more concerned about the outcome, the results, what this mixer grinder is going to deliver. 2 times more power could have also translated into several other benefits relevant to product, relevant for consumer, and relevant from appliance life point of view. How this 2x claim translates to grinding performance, load handling, duration of operation, consistency in quality, heat management, and motor durability. 1000 watts is definitely 2x more power in terms of wattage, but does it necessarily extrapolate to 2x better experience? But the claim can be cleverly worded to target the unique selling proposition USP that you wish to highlight. 1000 watts is a reason to believe. There are so many other benefits that can be conveyed. Will this mixer grinder handle powdering tough ingredients better? Will the grinding be faster? Will it manage the load better? Does this improvement in speed give better efficiency, which automatically translates into more continuous operation with better output? Does this also mean for the same duration of grinding time, this machine will not overheat? Is this mixer grinder suited for a large family? Will this model provide professional level grinding experience accessible for daily use? All these additional dimensions make the claim so much more consumer meaningful, about which the advertisement is completely silent. 2x more power becomes reason to believe, and the USP could be any of the things that we discussed earlier. As someone who reviews ads for a living, this comparative claim is the safest claim. Remember, safe claims protect you legally, but smart claims build brands. If you work on advertising claim as brand, as an advertising agency, or as a regulatory compliance team member, this is exactly the kind of nuance that matters. Subscribe for more such real-world advertising case studies. If you would like an independent ad check before your advertising campaign goes live, the consultation details are provided in the description below. A quick disclaimer, the intent of this video is purely educational. Stay creative, stay compliant.